Lou Richards here. And in a few seconds, we're going to hear from this cat who thinks he's a good singer. I don't know. He's a good dancer, but I don't know about a good singer. So you ready? Lou Richards. Let's get him ready. You ready there, buddy? You ready? You ready to sing? You ready to dance? Okay, here we go. Here he comes. Come on. Gotta turn you on. I can't get on. Come on. Okay, so we're going to put him on YouTube. And we're going to have a vote. 1, he's a good singer dancer. 2, he's a good dancer, but he sucks singing. And 3, he sucks completely. So Lou Richards saying goodbye.